You can manage Victor Unified Client licensing through the License Manager application. By default, a 120-day trial period license is included. After the trial period expires, you must purchase a license to continue using the product. Right-click on the licensing icon and select Run as Administrator. Select the Generate button and save the XML file to the desired location. Navigate to the American Dynamics website and log in. Select the Support tab and select the Register Software Licensing option. Select the Victor Software option. Select Victor from the product drop-down and click Next. A personal data processing consent form will be displayed. Read the text and select the I consent and confirm checkbox. Select the relevant software version from the license version drop-down. This is your Victor software version, for example 5.7. Enter the required integrator and end user information. You will not be able to submit the form until all the required fields have been completed. Select the Choose File button and upload the host ID XML file that you created earlier. Enter the Victor software serial number. It starts with ESS and is provided when purchasing the software. Enter the email address of the license recipient. Once all the fields have been populated, click the Submit button. Once the form has been processed, the license file will be emailed to the email address provided. Select the Add New License button and navigate to the license file that you have received. The services will need to be restarted. Click OK. Your Victor application server is now licensed.